Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we got the Nike Uptempo Airs that were just released for the fall to have a look at. And this is a personal shoe of mine. I just got it for the fall. We got some couple other shoes as well. I'll be unboxing those soon. But let's have a look at what we got, which is the Nike Air Uptempo Lows. The shoe is the low version of the ones that were released back in 1996 and was the signature shoe for Scottie Pippen back in the day. He used to rock these in 1996-97 season when he used to play for Bulls. He also had a version of the pair that was used in the Olympics as well. So there have been a lot of retro versions that have been released over the years, but in terms of a low version, there isn't. Like there was one release that was done with Ambush, which looked okay. I wouldn't say it was really great. Like it was a different remix version of the OG pair. So now, since they've officially launched the low versions, let's have a look at these bad boys. And this colorway, I think, is really clean. One is it's very reminiscent to what Scottie Pippen wore back then, which was a black and white combination or colorway. Here we have black and silver, otherwise called as photon dust. You know how Nike gives names to colors, so it's called photon dust here. And there were other two pairs that were released at the same time as well. One was, I believe it was called Crimson Red and Grey, and then there was a really clean triple white pair, which I really wanted to get it, but I recently got a white Jordan ES series pair, so I was like, no, I need something different. So I went with this pair, and what I did notice is that the details on the shoes are really nice. For instance, let's have a look at the Air. And this lettering is actually covered in a fabric puffy material, something which I've not seen in other shoes, and it has a silver tint to it. So when light hits on it, you can see there's kind of like this glow that comes, not glow, more like a shine that comes across these letters. I'm not sure with the other pairs. I don't know how the Crimson Red pair is as well. Is it covered in fabric or some of the material? I don't know. I haven't seen it in person, so I'm not really aware. And also you have these plastic finishes in between the letters, which I think is heat pressed, and I really like these details because they could have just put the same nubuck material, synthetic nubuck material here, but they didn't do that. They rather put some plastic material there, so it kind of gives this good contrast to the letters. Very good detail. Another very small detail I did notice is that you have these 3M strips across the letters, so when the light does hit it, this definitely reflects for sure. Other things that I've noticed is, yes, the Nike logos. If you see the Nike logos, normally in the OG pair, this is the logo is outlined by one of the colors that are part of the shoe. Here it's completely blacked out, something which I really like. I really liked it because it gives a really nice clean look to the shoe, something which I can rock the shoe on a daily basis, and it doesn't stand out much. So I really like that this is blacked out. You also have your Nike logos, which is your gelled out Nike logo, and in the OG pair, even at the rear, it was the gelled out logo, but here I'm not sure they cut out cost or not, but this is like, it's nice. It has this silver metallic finish, so you think it's metal, but I doubt. Seems like it's a plastic logo that has been embossed at the rear. The other thing I've noticed is that in the OG pairs, you used to get some plastic lace loops in between the letters, where the lace used to normally loop through these plastic units. and then it used to go inside, but that's been removed in this pair. And you have these fabric lace loops inside, which I really don't admire, because one is, yeah, it does give a good clean look to the shoe, but in terms of durability, these sometimes rip out when you do tug on the laces. So that's like a miss on the design. But otherwise, really clean shoe, really nice, and I'm so glad I got this pair, because I've never owned an Uptempo before. One is because the colorways here in the local stores, like in Foot Locker or in the Nike store, they never matched my vibes. They had some crazy colorways, and I couldn't do that. So I was always waiting for a nice black and white pair, and here we go. And even the lows, since the Ambush series were released a couple of years back, I couldn't cop one of those at that time. So when these came out, as soon as I saw this on the Nike app, I ordered it, and I'm glad I could add this to my collection now. Yeah, you have these pull tabs on the tongues, so that's in the rear as well, so it's pretty easy to slip on into the shoe. The shoe is pretty comfortable, because the air units kind of support the shoe and give it a good cushioning effect. We all know the benefits of having an air unit, and it's the full unit, right? It's not just a unit at the rear or in the front. It's a complete air unit across the shoe. The sole is pretty decent as well. I wouldn't recommend these for playing, but for lifestyle, you want to walk it with a fleece pant and a hoodie or a shirt. This is good to go. So this is my take on the new Nike Air Uptempo lows. And guys, do let me know if you'd like to see more unboxing of these shoes, because I have a couple of them that I'd like to show you guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, share the video, share it with your friends, homies. You want to like the video, yeah, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and see you soon with a new pair or something new, maybe a gadget, maybe a car review, who knows. So I'll at you. Y'all.